What's going on everybody, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy and tasty chili jam. To start this off, here I have 12 long red chilies, or equivalent to 200 grams. We're just going to take the tops off. And then you can either take the seeds out or keep them in, but I prefer to keep them in as it just adds that little bit extra heat. We're then going to cut these on about a 90-degree angle. And then with 4 cloves of garlic, we're just going to roughly chop it up. We're then going to zest 1 whole lemon. Then in the large heavy base saucepan, we're going to add our chili, our garlic, our lemon zest, half a cup of unrefined caster sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, and 1 cup of white wine vinegar. We're then going to put this onto a medium heat and slowly stir until the sugar dissolves. Then now that the sugar's dissolved, we're going to turn it up to a high heat and bring it to a boil. Then now that this is at a boil, we're going to reduce it down to a low heat and allow this to slowly simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring it every few minutes or so. And what we're looking for is the chili to start breaking down. Then after 25 minutes, you'll notice it's all starting to stick together and really break down. Just going to cook this for about 2 more minutes, and then we're going to take it off the heat. Then after the final 2 minutes, just going to turn it off, add about half a teaspoon's worth of salt, about 5 cracks of black pepper. Then we're going to allow this to cool down for about 10 minutes, and then we'll transfer it to a jar. Then after the relish has cooled down a little bit, I'm just going to transfer it to a jar. And there we have a quick, easy and tasty chili jam. This goes perfect with chicken wings, or spread it in a burger bun, or you can pretty much put it on anything you like chili with. This has amazing flavour. It's nice and tangy from the vinegar, nice and sweet from the sugar, and obviously very hot from the chilies. Kept in the fridge, this will last 2 months, or you can put it in the freezer where it will last up to 6 months. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel. I post 3 videos a week with recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. Be sure to like, share and comment, and if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.